Hello, welcome back in this tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create Meta Business Manager. So first you log into your Facebook account. Then on the right top center, you can see your profile image. Click on it. Then on the left menu, you will see the Ads Manager. So click on the Ads Manager. It will take you to the adsmanager.facebook.com. Once the page is loaded, you click on the all tools, then on the business setting, then it will create a pop-up and create for your business profiles. So you put your business profile name, then your name, the ad account associated with this will show it, and also you need to put the business email name. I will input this business email. Now I will submit. You can see this new business profile is already created. So I will click on the done button. Okay, this is done, and it will go to this new business profile. From the business profile, click on the setting, and under this setting you can see on the left column that there is a user. So you can invite users from here. First you need to put the enter your email ID, and then click on the access level. So what will be the access, and then next you need to give the access label, what label you want to allow, and there is no property, so that's why we don't need to do it. And now this is the access label, and send the invitation. So now the invitation will be sent to the people you have already asked. So now I will create a page, added a page to the business label. So I will click and I will add a existing page, and I will search for the page. The page ID must be associated with your email ID, and then go for next, then again next, and now agree with the terms, and add to the page. So this page already added to this under this business manager. Now we will create a ad account. So add account, so we will create new ad account. If you have existing, then you can also add it to your account. So name your ad account, then currency and time zone you can choose as your next, then again next, and this ad account will be under this business manager. So new ad account created and added this business manager. Hope you have enjoyed the video. If you like, so subscribe us. Thank you.